So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to write a mathematical or math equation in HTML or Blogger or WordPress any site. So guys, suppose if you want some mathematical equation in your post and you don't know the idea about how to write mathematical equation in HTML, then guys you are watching the right video. So first of all guys, open the Chrome browser and type iMathEQ. So this is the online tool where you can write the mathematical equation and generate the HTML code and then embed that code into your post. So basically when we generate a code, so it is in the Mathjax format. So our HTML or a blogger any site supports Mathjax for having mathematical equation. So we are going to use that language in our blogger and HTML as well. So first of all, go to this editor, and when we write a mathematical equation here, so guys, this is our tool where we are going to write our mathematical equation here. So suppose I want to write a fraction, some fraction here. So just click on fraction and remove this first part. So I'm going to write here fraction 5/6, and then let me remove this first, and now I'm going to write a fraction here. So like I'm going to write a formula for mirror, so which is 1 by f is equal to 1, you need to fraction here again, 1 and v should be in denominator, so v and minus, and again fraction 1, and on the denominator it should be object distance. Fine. So this is our mirror formula, or mirror or lens formula, I don't remember that. And so we are going to use, or we are going to write this equation in our blogger site. Let's see how can we embed. So first of all, you just need to write your mathematical equation, whatever the equation, and or you just need to copy this, and you need to just press Ctrl+C, and it will copy the code of this mathematical equation. So let's see how can we embed, or how can we use this mathematical equation in Blogger or in HTML, or you can use the same way in WordPress site as well. And now guys, once you open your post, just select the HTML view here, and now just paste that code we have copied from here. The code should be look like this. So to copy this code, you can't copy from here, so you just need to select the mathematical equation and just press Ctrl+C, and it will copy automatically. Now guys, now open a new post and open it HTML view. Now just paste that formula or paste that code here. So once you paste that code, let's see it is showing in a mathematical equation or not. And guys, as you can see, our mathematical equation is not in the mathematical format. So what we are going to do here, we are forgetting something here. So now we just need to add 2 lines here, because we are using the Mathjax format to write mathematical equation. So this is a guy's site, this is our site mathjax.org. so this helps you to write beautiful mathematics in HTML. So what you need to do, you need to go to this site, and or I will provide the code that you have to integrate or use in your HTML or Blogger site. So that code is, so the code is here, though this is 2 script line, you just need to these 2 script line here, and let me copy this. I'm going to give you the link of this page, so you can copy the two lines of script, JavaScript, and just copy this and post above the code. So post above the code, you can paste, you can paste the below the code as well. So now once you done with this, now just let's see the preview. Let's see the mathematical equation in preview, and now you can see that our mathematical equation is in the right format. And so let's try another mathematical equation. Let's try the trigonometry functions. So I'm going to write a famous identity formula. So, or we can write something else. So we are going to write tan theta is equal to tan theta is equal to sine upon cos. ठीक है? So sine upon cos, let me see where is sine. So yeah, sine, and you can find the sine here, and you can find the cos here. And now just use the theta, and let's use theta here, and again theta here. Now you can see our this formula is, we are going to embed this formula in, or write this formula or mathematical equation in HTML. So you just need to copy again. So it will copy the HTML code, or sorry, Mathjax code from here, and just going to paste this code after or next to this code. And let's see in the preview, is it working or not? So it takes time to load, and once it is load, and our mathematical equation will be in the right format. So you can see, but there is no break line, so you can put the break line after this code. Just put the break line, and let's see the preview. And as you can see, our two codes are separated by a line, and now that's how you can write the mathematical equation in HTML. I hope you like the video, and this will if you think this video helpful to you, please subscribe to our channel. And I have already made the blogger tutorial videos for all the beginners, so they can earn money without investment, because this is the right platform to earn money without platform. You can find many other way, but this is a genuine platform where you can earn money without investing. So guys, I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.